Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful, warm, sunny day today. And my gimbal is having an absolute wobble today. I'm just trying to show you this lovely old shady tree here at the top end of Agrailia Park. Love this park, it's also so peaceful and quiet. Play area for younger children there. A little swing. Slides and a climbing frame. Nice little bench as well, so the kiddies can sit, have a little picnic. There's more swings there. There we go. I'm kind of like gym area. Some pull-up sort of bars. That's better. There you go. I zoomed it, guys, sorry about that. Like a balance beam. It's more like chin-up bars or something. I don't know, some jump bar things or push-ups maybe. Hit the like, hit share, hit subscribe guys. I'll see you on the next video.